Hello everyone, this is Rashi Gaur, Global Consultant, Astrology, Numerology, Vastu and Feng Shui, and I'm here on the sets of SSBeauty talking about something very interesting. Festive season is round the corner. It is a time to open our doors to abundance, to socialize with our family and friends, and to attract all wonderful things to our lives and to dress up. What most of us don't know is that when we dress up, we attract that glam and glitz to ourselves. We are actually enhancing our Venus, the planet of love, luxury, beauty and riches. Find out how can you enhance your Venus by these beautiful tips that I'm bringing to you. How to work on your magic, how to bring out your aura as per your zodiac sign. Moving to the fire signs. You are a fire sign if you're an Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. Aries, blazing hot like the forest fire. You're action-oriented, you're wild, passionate, sometimes childlike, enthusiastic. You bring out your aura by turning to the bold, fiery look. What better than a red-hot lipstick to complement your thrilling nature? If deep red is not your color, then you can go for brick red. Keep everything else on your face soft. And do not forget to wear sunscreen because you're constantly on the go. Your lucky day is Tuesday and your lucky colors are all tones of reds. In terms of your crystal, your lucky go-to crystal is carnelian, and guess what? This is going to keep you grounded. Leo, the diva, ruled by the sun. This lioness needs no introduction. This is not the blazing wildfire. This is the fire that glows in its own light. They are their own motivation. Gold and glamour is your go-to this festive season. Bring out your fire aura with the gold hues. Choose from gold and bronze eyeshadow palette and create feline eyes with the eyeliner. Bring some bronzer, add some contour and bring out the sharpness on your face. You know you were born to rule. Your lucky day is Sunday and your lucky colors are all tones of red and gold. Your lucky crystal is the sunstone. And finally, the last but not the least, Sagittarius, the charismatic one. Ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion. Your fire lies in wisdom, learning and knowledge. You know no limits. And you do not even like to follow. You like to create your own path. So why would you follow trends this season? Your style is self-created, bringing a twist to anything which is boring or classic. So try the burgundy eyeshadow with a touch of gold. You're not the one to wear a single shade of lipstick or a single note of perfume. Go ahead and mix and create something that you love most. You can carry off dark eyeshadow and dark lipstick. So go ahead and play. Your lucky day is Thursday and your lucky colors are yellow and gold. Your go-to favorite crystal is yellow citrine. The fragrance best suited to all the fire signs is anything which is exotic, enticing and spicy. If you really enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. SSBeauty is your place to go.